All right, this one's pretty complicated and requires a lot of constraints, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how you could do that. So I'm going to choose my template, and then what I need to do is set up my, I'm just going to do the legs first. So create an extrusion, and I'm just going to put one in this quadrant up here. I'll do 3 inches by 3 inches, and then I'm going to mirror it over the axis and then mirror these down. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to create my reference planes. So you need a reference plane on every single edge of these legs. So I'm going to create one and then align and lock them. And I'm going to copy it, repeat, then copy these, align and lock, oh, sorry, my dog is barking. And then do a couple more. And then we'll align and lock all those. All right, now that that's done, just gonna extend all these out. And then you have to add in the actual constraints. So we're gonna put one right here and lock it, put one right here, lock it, one right here and lock it, one right here and lock it. All right, then we have to add in our equality constraints so that it flexes evenly. So we got to put one from here to the center to the right, drag that up, click the EQ, do the same thing here, here to the center to the bottom, EQ. Then we're going to add in our actual length and width parameters. So one from here to here, and then one from here to here. Make a parameter length, width. All right, now that that's done, we're going to test that this flexes correctly. So, okay, that one's good. And then feet, that one's good. Now that's done, I'm going to go to my, actually I'm going to create my extrusion. So go here and then put an extrusion right there and right to there. Then I'm going to go to my elevation view. Then I'm going to create couple reference planes. I'm going to put one up high and then one a little bit lower. I'm going to align to the top reference plane all the legs. So I want to hit my tab key, and then there's 2 in each location. So I got to get both of them. One there, and then one more. Then I'm going to align this to the top of my extrusion. This is my extrusion that's going all the way around all 4 of those legs. And then I'm going to pull this one up so it's kind of in the middle. And then I'm going to copy this down. And then I'm going to create one more in the middle. I'm going to align the bottom to that. I'm going to go annotate, align. I'm going to put an equality constraint here. And then I'm going to put a constraint here, and I'm going to set this to be 0.5 inches. So now I have a 1 inch thing, and I have to make sure that that is also aligned properly, like that. Now that that's made, I'm going to go annotate aligned, and then create one more equality constraint from there to the center one to the bottom. Click EQ, and then again I'm going to adjust this so that it's 1 inch, like that. There we go. Now that that's done, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard, Control C, Control V to paste it. Actually, I'm going to go up here to paste it. Paste to same place. Now there's two on top of each other, and I'm just going to use these grips to drag this one upward. Align the top of it to this reference plane. Lock it. Copy one of these reference planes. Now I'm going to use my temporary dimension. I'm going to set that to 1 inch. Oops. 1 inch. Oh, this needs to be 1 inch, not ½ inch. There we go. This needs to be 1 inch. There we go. Align this to that, lock it. And then I'm going to go create another constraint here to there, and then lock that. Then I'm going to go to a 3D view, and I'm going to join all the geometry together. So I'm going to click join and join all the pieces to one another. Just like that. Click on one of the legs, give it a metal parameter. Go to my reference level view, create extrusion. I'm going to create the glass panes now. Now I'm going to align that to there, lock it, align this to the bottom one, lock it, tab to select it, copy to clipboard, paste, align to same place, drag up, lock, drag up, lock, go back to 3D view, select that one, and then give it a glass. Okay. And now go to flex it. And there you go.